How to delete incognito browser history on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete incognito browser history on Android. So while incognito mode doesn't save your browsing history, some traces like DNS cache can still be stored temporarily. And here is how you can delete that. So first thing first, open the Google Chrome app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once inside the app, just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here from the drop down menu, simply tap on New Incognito tab. And now here, there is a problem. So I can't record the incognito tab, so I'm going to show you the process in the normal tab because the process are same for both. So here, once you are in the tab, simply tap on the search bar and simply search Chrome column // net dash intervals and simply search for it. And here, once you search for it, you'll see the interface like this. So from here, you can simply tap on DNS at the left hand side. And now here, inside the DNS lookup, there you can see the option labeled as clear host cache. So simply tap on it. And once you tap on that, it will delete all your incognito browser history. And that's it. That's how you can delete incognito browser history on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.